In this video, I'll show you how to merge table cells in Microsoft Word. Merging cells is a great way to organize data and make your tables look cleaner and more professional. It's perfect when you want to combine information or create a larger header for your table. To start, open your Microsoft Word document and insert a table. You can do this by clicking on the Insert tab at the top of the screen. In the Tables group, click Table, and then choose the number of rows and columns you need. You can create the table to fit your specific needs, whether it's a small table or a larger one. Once your table is created, it's time to merge the cells. First, click and drag your cursor to highlight the cells you want to combine. You can merge multiple cells, whether it's across a row, down a column, or a block of cells in the middle of your table. Next, go to the Table Layout tab in the toolbar at the top of the screen. In the Merge group, you'll see a button labeled Merge Cells. Click on it, and just like that, the selected cells will be combined into one larger cell. That's it. You now have merged cells in your Microsoft Word table, allowing you to create better organized content or headers that span multiple columns or rows. It's a quick and easy way to customize your tables to fit your needs. If you think this video is helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell.